Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your email address in Zara. Keeping your account email up to date is essential for receiving order confirmations, shipping updates, and promotional offers. In order to change the email address on your Zara account, first of all, open the Zara app and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. Now from your profile page, click on Profile. On the next page, click on Email and then enter your current password in the first field associated with your Zara account. This is to verify that this account belongs to you, so go ahead and type it down. After entering your current password, go to the next field and write down a new email address you want to change to. Once done, click on Change Email. You have successfully updated your email now. Just make sure you have the access to your new email before changing it. Only use a valid and secure email for account recovery and important updates. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.